So I'm going to show you how to repair fuel tank, how to prep it for welding if you've got a hole in your tank. I'm not actually going to repair this one, but I had to do this recently, so I thought I should show you. Should have just showed you on the transfer tank. I had to weld a hole in a diesel transfer tank recently. Had this old Corvette fuel tank sitting around, so I'll just show you on this. But to evacuate all the fumes inside, you need to get that taken care of before you do any welding on it. Obviously the gases are really volatile and you'll never get all the gases out of there. It's hard enough just to get the remaining fuel out completely, but really simple task. Just get your shop vac and take it off of suck and hook your hose into the other side so it's blowing. Now this is off a C4 Corvette, and the only opening on this is this square hole on the top. Normally, of course, you'll have a normal filler hose to use, and then hopefully another spot where you can take out the sending unit to create another opening in the tank. Turn this off so you can hear me. Normally you'd have a filler hose that you could, or a filler slot that you could plug this into. Sometimes you might need to buy an accessory kit for your shop vac in order to get a nice good seal, let's say on the filler neck end, and then you'll have the sending unit assembly removed for those gases to exit. This only has one slot, so if you're doing it on this type of tank, you just have to stick that hose down in there, turn it on, and then you leave it turned on for like a week, and it will get it cleaned out. You just leave it, let it run constant. Luckily your shop vac can handle that. The other option would be to fill this thing with water, and then that would cut down on the amount of time you needed to evacuate the air out of it. With that being said, you don't always want to fill your tank with water because of course you'll get some flash rust inside. So just turn this on, leave it on for a week. Excuse me. Don't put it on the suck side though, because then you'll be sucking those explosive fumes into your shop vac and you're liable to get a spark inside and have a fireworks show. So set your shop vac to blow and seal it up around your tank so everything blows through. And of course, make sure the air has somewhere to evacuate on a normal tank. Like I said, your sending unit or something would be removed for all that air to get out of. Because if you sealed this off perfectly, you'd split this tank open most likely. These shop vacs have a surprising amount of power, and you'll blow your tank apart. But that's all it takes. And normally, I just leave this on for like a week because you don't want to take a chance on this, and you'll be able to tell. You won't be able to smell any gas fumes in there at the end of a week or a few days. And that's it. Then it's ready to weld. Thanks. Please subscribe if you get anything out of this. I need subscribers. I don't need particularly viewing hours to get monetized.